In this video, we are going to look at how to fill out the grade 7 electives form. Please begin by printing clearly your first name in this section and your last name in this section. Underneath this, you will notice that there are compulsory courses. These are courses that you will have to take. You'll notice that beside physical education, you will need a minimum of 4 sections, and for foods, construction, and technology, a minimum of 1 section. This will be explained shortly. Please note that next year's user fees are going to be a total of $30. And now to the elective sections. So based on our timetable, students will need to select 14 different elective sections. So an elective selection indicates one timetable slot. Okay, so for example, phys ed, here are all of your options. Each one of these represents one timetable slot. You need to select at least 4 of these. So put a check mark or an X, however you want, beside the ones that you feel like taking, making sure there is a minimum of 4. Then put that number here. Underneath this, you will see that there are art, drama, technology studies, and other options. These are all have no cost associated with them. So you can select up to 4 art, 3 drama. You need to select at least 1 technology studies or any of these. So as you select, please write the number down there. Now, please note for foods and construction, because 1 is required, the first one will have no cost associated with it. After that, there will be a $10 fee for both of these as you select them. Outdoor ed, same thing. As you select, it'll be a $10 fee per section. Band, you have the choice of, this will be a total of 4 sections, please note that. However, there is a difference between band rental. So if you need an instrument, it'll cost you $50. However, if you do not need an instrument, you do not have to pay the $50 and put the number of sections. So that would be 4 there. Down here for potential fees, write down the total number of foods classes that you have selected, minusing 1. Take that number times by 10. Do the same for construction. The total amount of electives would go on this line. You then move it down here for the elective total. Then you add in your outdoor ed fees, your potential instrument rental fees, and your $35 user fees, and have your total amount here. When you are done that, add up your total number of sections that you've selected, and they must equal 14. After you have done that, please student sign and date, parent sign and date, and return to your school as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a good day.